We had to rework Dave's laundry box again, putting in a 45-degree here and here, and then down into the trap. We have 20 inches of rise, which is within code, so we're good. But the reason we had to do that is the box was located from this line across right here, and they have a stack washer dryer set, and the problem is that the vent for the dryer was coming straight out into the middle of the box right there. So we relocated it, and now the dryer vent comes out right about here. So we're going to put a little piece of heat shield in there, and that should take care of it. Then we have our foam insulation on the PEX pipes, hot and cold, coming up. And then there is R19 behind it, all stuffed in there. Okay, so then we also had to... That was the original dryer outlet. We turned that into a junction box, and this orange 10-2 with ground wire is going to go down here, where we put in a double 4-inch square plastic box. And the the wash machine outlet was up there. Now we moved it down here, and they're both at the same level. Now we're going to take a look at the GE washing machine stack unit. You see the 4-inch dryer vent outlet there, and this area back here is the safe area to mount things, hoses, wires, all that stuff, and it sticks out about 3 inches, and that is going to go flat against the wall, and that area below that sticks out is about 2.5 inches, and that needs to have no hoses behind it either. So the next thing we got to do is put this piece of sheetrock back, and then there's a hole up here for the dryer duct. I need to get the ducting fitted to that, and come down the wall to just above the left upper corner of the washing machine water box. So this is the galvanized ductwork that we've installed for it. See, we have it, it's all taped with aluminum tape, and we have some strapping in there to hold it in place firmly. Then it comes through the wall there. Use galvanized, not aluminum, when you go inside the wall. And you look up in there and you see that we have one screw in the joints holding things together. Don't use a bunch of screws because they can trap lint and be a fire hazard. We have our wall board is all installed here now. Got our dryer duct is in position. Junction box up there. Big 4-inch box is for the dryer outlet. Washer outlet's next to that. There's the drain, hot and cold, for the wash machine, vent for the dryer. And so we need to get some grout in this tile before we can put the machine in. And we also need to put some finished mud and paint on these walls too. So there's a bit of work that has to get done, but yeah, looking very good. Alright, you can see that we have our laundry area is completed now. Here is the old location for the dryer outlet. It was a single box, but it was up too high and we wouldn't be able to press the machine in against the wall. The back of the dryer sticks out, and there's a place for it down here, so we put a junction of wire in here and relocated the outlet down here, which fits where there's a recess in the back of the dryer and washer. And this is the power for the washer. This is the vent hose for the dryer, and this is the hot, cold, and drain supply box for the washer. this here, because this washer is going into kind of a pocket here, we needed a way to be able to reach in and connect the pipe and electrical and hoses, and also just to be able to inspect things. So the way we accomplished that is we got an inspection cover, and you can see that right through the inspection hole we can reach all of those things. So this works out pretty good. It solves some problems. And then we've got one wire in here that we're going to put inside of a conduit. So that'll just get pulled out and have a conduit slipped over it, and that will be good. But it's a good strong metal box. So the electrical main box is ready to have the wire pulled out and worked on. And Mitch made these fir jambs for the vinyl windows. He's got one there. He's got one over here too. Those turned out really good. Just gives it a whole new finished look. And then finished tiling inside of the shower stall here, or for the most part we got a bunch of additional tile here and over there. And then tomorrow we will finish the outside of it and the threshold. So this bathroom laundry room is almost finished. Okay, and as you can see, the entry floor, well, we have cardboard down protecting it, but it sure looks a lot better than it did before. Okay, so this is the laundry room all finished up. We have the tile base in. Dave grouted that this morning. Then we finished tiling the shower. So yesterday we put up all these, and this morning we did that and that. All the way up, we put a threshold on the ceiling that matches the threshold on the bottom. It has not yet received official Mrs. Unknown Mechanics approval. Mr. Unknown Mechanic decided, what the heck, let's do it. So if one day you find Mr. Unknown Mechanic's tombstone and it says she didn't like it, you'll know why. You'll know what got him. Okay, the Unknown Mechanic and I have been working on this here washing machine connections, and we have the steam feature hose connected to the dryer, and we have routed that across the back, and we have some rubberized clips screwed into the back of the washer in a place that we verified that the tub or anything is not going to be interfered with. So there are the hot and cold 90-degree elbows that we had to get to make it so that the pipes turned down so that they would ride close to the wall. Very important. Okay, so those are the two clips there, and then the idea is that the clips will stay to the right side and go not get in front or between this here bump out and the wall, so we can get it flat against the wall so that we can get our dryer vent into the wall hole. So anyway, there. It looks like things are going to work out well. I'm going to slide it in, and the unknown mechanic is going to use his expertise to push the hoses over to the right so that they clear the back. Okay.
Yeah. I think this is a good push stick.
Let us proceed. Oh, for that, yeah.
If I can. I got my flashlight.
And there you go. That is, the washer is in its pocket now. So it's a tight fit. This bathroom is all a tight fit. There's where the toilet goes. That's where the shower goes. That's where the sink goes. Here's where the water heater goes. So everything in here is tight, but it's very functional. Okay.